In 2003, Nissan had already stopped producing the R34. But Nismo wasn't done. They bought back 20 used units, stripped them to the bare chassis and rebuilt them by hand. They created a car that shouldn't exist. In the world of investing, this is the high alpha play. It's the high-risk, high-reward asset that requires surgical precision. Today, we review the Tomica Premium No. 1 Nismo R34 GT-R Z-Tune. And we're going to find out why the ultra-wealthy don't just want a business, they want a Z-Tune in their portfolio.
If the Alphard is about scaling a mass-market platform, the Z-Tune is about the precision of high performance. High performers like the engineers at Nismo do not accept good enough. They reinforce the chassis with carbon fiber. In business, this is the equivalent of a founder who spends 10,000 hours perfecting a single algorithm. It's not about volume, it's about unfair advantages. Look at the discipline. They only made 20. They could have made 2,000 and made more money up front, but they chose scarcity. Discipline is knowing when to say no to keep the value high. This is a high-risk investment. If you crash a Z-Tune, you lose millions. If your unicorn startup fails, you lose everything. But if it succeeds, it redefines the market. Let's see if Tomica captured that zero-tolerance engineering. The material and aerodynamics. The Z-Tune silver paint. It's iconic. Tomica used a metallic flake that catches the light exactly like the real Z-Tune silver, KY0. The body is heavy die-cast, but notice the molding on the hood. Those vents? They aren't just for show. They represent heat management. In business, heat is stress. If you don't have vents, systems, your engine, team, blows up. The front bumper is extended. The fenders are blistered. Tomica Premium nailed the offset of the black 5-spoke GT500 wheels. These aren't your standard Tomica wheels. They have depth. The base shows the Nissan official licensed product seal. This is crucial for point 6, finance practical. In the diecast world, a Nismo without a license is a knockoff. In finance, an investment without a moat or IP protection is just a gamble. Now, look at the suspension and the doors. While the Alphard has sliding doors for access, the R34 has opening doors for entry into the cockpit. The interior detail, the two-tone seats, is visible. It's cramped, it's focused, it's a cockpit. It's point 9, the strategy of time. There is no space for distractions in this car. What do billionaires actually do all day? Point 10, they manage beta, their stable assets, Alphards, so they can afford to play in alpha, Z-Tunes. A Z-Tune is a high-maintenance asset. It needs specialized technicians. Similarly, high-performance businesses need A players. You cannot run a Z-Tune with a standard mechanic. You cannot run a billion-dollar tech disruptor with average talent. They aren't afraid of the high-risk label if the precision is there. Risk is only risky when you haven't done the engineering. The Tomica Premium No. 1 R34 Z-Tune is a reminder that while the foundation, Alphard, gets you to the meeting, performance, GTR, is what makes you a legend. If you are a collector, this is your blue chip. If you are an entrepreneur, this is your North Star. Don't just build a business that works. Build a business that is rebuilt from the chassis up to be the best in the world. Are you playing it safe in the back seat? Or are you ready to handle the G-force of a Z-Tune? Click subscribe to join the inner circle. Next time, we look at the exit strategy of the elite.